And India Today was the only channel to actually get access to the area where Wing Commander Abhinandan Vardaman was actually shot down. And there were many unanswered questions that were answered first here on India Today in the face of unrelenting, unyielding, uninterrupted Pakistani subterfuge and propaganda.
The destination was Horran Village, situated 3 kilometers from the line of control. That's on a 2-dimensional map. And the Google map quoted roughly 185 kilometers as the distance to travel from Islamabad. But in reality, the landscape included crossing at least 5 mountain ridges, and that took nearly 6 hours before Horran revealed itself between tall coniferous trees. Situated in a valley, Horran is a sleepy village that about 1,000 people call home.
Wing Commander Abhinandan had a dogfight mid-air, and then his plane was shot, and he landed about 300 meters from the place where the plane had actually landed. जब ऊपर पाकिस्तानी जहाज़ और इंडिया के जहाज़ की लड़ाई आपस में चल रही थी, तो और जब ये जहाज़ को हिट हुआ उस वक्त भी आपने देखा, आप देख सकते थे कि ऊपर से इसका जहाज़ हिट हो चुका है. क्या डायरेक्शन थी उसकी? लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल इस तरफ है, तो वहाँ से क्या डायरेक्शन इस तरफ थी जहाज़ की, इंडिया के जहाज़ की, या वापस जाते हुए ऐसा हुआ है?
जब मैंने देखा उसे फायर लगाना तो उसको आग लगी हुई थी, उसकी डायरेक्शन लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल की तरफ थी.
A tree-covered hill, grey in the March sunlight, stands as a natural border between Horran in Pakistan Occupied Kashmir and Nowshera in India. It is on the park side that the MiG-21 Bison crashed into, on this hill facing Horran.
I have this piece with me, and as I stand on ground zero where this impact happened, where this plane crashed, the Indian airplane. There are wreckages still over here. Army has taken most of the major wreckage with them, but as you can see on ground over here, when the plane landed, the impact would have been a lot bigger, because the tree over here, it fell off. You can see that when the plane had an impact here, the tree fell off. Then this tree got burnt because of the fire. Plane landed, it was an explosion. You can see the wreckage still here. Other than this, we can see these are wires. These are some chips that were part of the plane. This seems to be a very strong part of the plane, because even after catching fire, the plane still cut into pieces. If you see over here, this is also another very big chunk of the wreckage. This seems like another important piece of the Indian plane that Wing Commander Abhinandan was flying. So this basically is the place where the plane, after getting hit by the Pakistani plane, caught fire. It crashed here. Abhinandan landed after ejecting himself about 300 meters from here, where he was captured by the locals and then by the army. So after ejecting from his plane, Wing Commander Abhinandan landed at this very spot. That is where he landed his foot, and when the people came, he had a question answer session with them.
जब वो वहाँ से पैराशूट के ज़रिए नीचे आ रहा था, तो हमने उसको देखा और हम यहाँ पे आ गए जिस जगह पे उसने लैंड किया है. उसके बाद हम उसके करीब आना चाहते थे, पर उसके पास हथियार थे, कुछ रिवाल्वर हो गया वगैरह वगैरह, कोई 1-2 और चीज़ें थी. और हम उसको कह रहे थे कि हम आपको, वो पानी मांग रहे थे हमसे और मोबाइल फ़ोन हमसे मांग रहे थे कि मैंने बात करनी है. हमने कहा तुम अपने हथियार दूर फेंको, हम आपको पानी भी देंगे, फ़ोन भी देंगे. वो कह रहे थे कि मेरी कमर टूट चुकी है. हमने कहा आपको हम हॉस्पिटल भी लेके जाएंगे. और उन्होंने जब फिर उन्होंने हमसे पूछा कि ये इंडिया है या पाकिस्तान है, हमने कहा ये इंडिया है। पहले पूछा प्रधानमंत्री कौन है, तो फिर उससे तो हमको कंफर्म हो गया, हमने कहा मोदी है। उसके बाद जब फिर उसने नारा लगाया तो हमारे लोगों को उसका जवाब नहीं आया, इस वजह से उसे पता चल गया।
This is the water stream that is a short distance away from that mountain, from where Wing Commander Abhinandan landed, and then he ran. People went after him. They were hitting him with stones and he was firing bullets to keep them away. And he managed to come from there till here. This is the water where he was stopped. He ate a few pieces of paper which were very sensitive, and he threw them in this water so that they can flow away.
वो कागज़ वो तो हमको नहीं पता है किस चीज़ के थे, पर जब उसे पता चला कि ये पाकिस्तान है तो उसने 3-4 कागज़ मुंह में डाले और उनको चबाकर फेंक दिया, थूक दिया। जब नाले में गया तो हमारे लोग वहाँ उसके आगे पीछे हो गए और उसको घेर कर पकड़ लिया और थोड़ी बहुत पिटाई भी की। साथ ही में आर्मी आ गई और उन्होंने पकड़ लिया।
As the locals say, he kept firing bullets back and forth to disperse the people who were after him. They were after him with stones. They did not have guns, so they were hitting him with stones. But one person, namely Tayyab, who's not in contact right now, but he was the one who actually brought a rifle and shot right next to his leg. Not on his leg, but right next to his leg. That's when the army also had come and he had to throw his weapon away. I'm standing right now in Horran Village, which is in Pakistan administered Kashmir, about 3 kilometers away from the line of control. Has been troubled in the past, but now it seems a little bit cooled down as the tensions continue to a little filter down on the line of control. Behind me, that side, that village, is where on the mountain top of it is where the plane that got shot mid-air by the Pakistani jet fell, and about 200 meters from there was where Wing Commander Abhinandan also landed, got captured, got assaulted, hit by the locals here.
Till 27th of February 2019, this was a village that no one knew about. People here went about their agrarian lives and the world did not notice. But then a man fell from the sky and changed Horran forever. Today, the village of Horran has become a bullet point fixture on the troubled timeline of Indo-Pak animosity.